I got a call for a skimmer repair in Kingsville. There was tile missing and coping loose, so we drained the pool a few inches. I pulled up the coping with the strength of 3 Thors. Okay, not 3 Thors, just 1 Ant-Man. But the big Ant-Man. I made my marks with a level to cut for my skimmer bridge. After grinding and chipping, I marked the tile cuts to fit snug. Gave it a nice rinse and allowed it to dry before installing all my tile pieces. Here I'm building up my skimmer bridge for my coping. After the bridge is set, I install tile and coping. After that set for a few minutes in this Texas heat, I grouted the tile and coping. Then I brought out my friend Bob, who happens to be a sponge, to help clean up this job. Here is the before and after. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time.